Managing diabetes can feel like a full-time job, especially when it comes to choosing the right foods. But did you know that certain foods could be silently sabotaging your efforts? Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthcare One. In today's video, we're uncovering the top 10 worst foods for diabetes that you need to avoid to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Whether you're newly diagnosed or have been managing diabetes for years, these tips are crucial for your health. Stick around, because what you learn today could make all the difference in your journey to better blood sugar control. If you found this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Number 10. Sugary beverages. Did you know that sugary beverages like sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks are some of the worst offenders for spiking blood sugar levels? These drinks are loaded with added sugars that are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, causing rapid glucose spikes. Research published in the British Medical Journal found that just one sugary drink a day can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 18%. For those already managing diabetes, these beverages can lead to dangerous blood sugar fluctuations, making it harder to keep your levels stable. Instead, choose water, herbal teas, or other unsweetened options. By cutting out sugary drinks, you're not only helping to maintain better blood sugar control, but also reducing your risk of long-term complications. Make the switch today. Your health is worth it. Number 9. Processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats might be convenient, but they come with serious health risks, especially for those managing diabetes. These meats are often high in unhealthy saturated fats, sodium, and preservatives, which can contribute to insulin resistance and increase the risk of heart disease, already a significant concern for people with diabetes. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming just one serving of processed meat per day could raise the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by 19%. For better health, opt for lean proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based alternatives. Making the switch can help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively and reduce your risk of complications. Remember, your health is in your hands. Choose wisely. Number 8. White bread and refined grains. White bread and other refined grains might be staples in your diet, but they can be harmful, especially if you're managing diabetes. These foods are made from refined flour, which has been stripped of its fiber and nutrients. As a result, they have a high glycemic index, meaning they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. According to research published in Diabetes Care, consuming refined grains is linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes and poor blood sugar control. Whole grains, on the other hand, contain fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar and helps maintain stable glucose levels. By switching to whole grain options like whole wheat bread or brown rice, you can better manage your blood sugar and improve your overall health. Small changes can make a big difference. Number 7. Fried foods. Crispy, golden, and oh so tempting. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts might be delicious, but they can spell trouble for your blood sugar. These foods are often loaded with unhealthy trans fats and are high in calories, making it harder for your body to manage glucose levels. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regularly consuming fried foods is linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity, both of which can make blood sugar control even more challenging. These foods can lead to insulin resistance, causing blood sugar spikes that are tough to manage. Opt for baked or air-fried alternatives instead. Your taste buds will still be satisfied, and your body will thank you for it. Number 6. Full-fat dairy products. Full-fat dairy products like whole milk, cheese, and full-fat yogurt might seem harmless, but they can be problematic for blood sugar control. These products are high in saturated fats, which can lead to insulin resistance and make managing diabetes more difficult. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition shows that a diet high in saturated fats is linked to a greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes. For better blood sugar management, opt for low-fat or fat-free alternatives. These options still provide the calcium and protein you need without the added risks. Making this simple switch can help you take control of your health. Number 5. Packaged snack foods. Packaged snack foods like chips, crackers, and cookies might seem harmless, but they're often packed with hidden sugars and refined carbs. A single serving of some popular snacks can contain up to 30 grams of carbs and 12 grams of added sugars, quickly spiking your blood sugar. These quick-digesting carbs cause rapid glucose spikes, making blood sugar management difficult. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets high in processed snacks can increase the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Even so-called healthy options can be deceiving, often loaded with preservatives and hidden sugars. For better blood sugar control, choose whole, unprocessed snacks like nuts, seeds, or fresh vegetables. Swapping out these packaged foods can help keep your blood sugar in check and support long-term health. Number 4. Flavored coffee drinks. Now I'm going to talk about flavored coffee drinks. Flavored coffee drinks, like those tempting caramel lattes or mocha fraps, can pack a serious punch. Not in caffeine, but in sugar. These drinks are often loaded with syrups, whipped cream, and other sweeteners that can send your blood sugar soaring. A typical flavored coffee can contain as much sugar as a dessert, with some reaching over 50 grams of sugar in a single serving. According to research from the Journal of the American Heart Association, excessive sugar intake is linked to insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. If you're managing diabetes, these drinks can make it difficult to keep your blood sugar in check. Instead, opt for plain coffee or unsweetened versions, and consider adding a dash of cinnamon for flavor without the sugar. Your blood sugar and your waistline will thank you. Number 3. Fruit juices. Fruit juices may seem healthy, but they can be loaded with sugars and carbs that spike your blood sugar. Even 100% fruit juice, while natural, lacks the fiber of whole fruit, leading to rapid sugar absorption. A single 240 milliliters, 8 ounces, glass of orange juice can contain around 26 grams of carbs and 21 grams of sugar, equivalent to several teaspoons of sugar. According to a study published in the British Medical Journal, high consumption of fruit juices is linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. For those managing diabetes, these sugar-laden drinks can make blood sugar control a challenge. Instead, opt for whole fruits, which offer fiber and a slower release of sugars, or choose water with a splash of lemon for a refreshing and blood sugar-friendly alternative. Number 2. Sugary cereals. Sugary cereals may seem like a quick and easy breakfast, but they can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels. Many popular cereals contain up to 40 grams of carbs and 20 grams of added sugars per serving, about the same as a candy bar. These refined carbs cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, making it harder to manage diabetes. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, diets high in refined sugars are strongly linked to increased risks of type 2 diabetes. For a healthier start to your day, swap sugary cereals for whole grain options with minimal added sugar, or consider a high-protein breakfast like eggs or Greek yogurt. Making smarter choices at breakfast can help keep your blood sugar stable and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Number 1. Sweets and desserts. Sweets and desserts are hard to resist, but they can seriously disrupt your blood sugar levels. A single slice of cake or a scoop of ice cream can pack over 30 grams of carbs and 25 grams of sugar, equivalent to about 6 teaspoons of sugar. These sugary treats cause a rapid spike in glucose, leading to a subsequent crash that makes blood sugar management challenging. Research published in Diabetes Care shows that diets high in added sugars are directly linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and complications. For better blood sugar control, opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruit, dark chocolate, or low-sugar desserts. Indulging wisely can help you satisfy your sweet tooth without the harmful blood sugar spikes. That wraps up our list of the 10 worst foods for managing diabetes. Remember, controlling your blood sugar levels isn't just about what you eat, but also about what you avoid. By making smart choices and steering clear of these foods, you can better manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and take care.